Hello students, today we are going to start a fresh video lecture series for the subject of biology for the class 9th and 10th, and the our today's topic will be the endocrine system, and the endocrine system comes under the subheading of the control and coordination. That is the chapter number 2 of the class 10th. And I have already told you people that the what do we mean by control and what do we mean by coordination. Control kath chis vanan, coordination kath chis vanan. That has been discussed earlier, and we were discussing about the control and coordination in case of animals, and in case of animals the control and coordination that is brought about by the two systems. The first system is known as the nervous system, which we have earlier discussed, we have completed, and the second system that is known as the endocrine system. Now the question arises, what do we mean by the endocrine system? Endocrine system, as the name indicates, it is an organ system. Organ system means it is a group of organs, and group of which organs? It is the group of endocrine glands, and it is the group of endocrine glands. ये जो endocrine system है, ये हम किस चीज को कहते हैं? ये होता है, it is a group of the glands which are known as the endocrine glands. And before discussing the endocrine glands, firstly we will tell you people that what do we mean by the glands. What is actually the term gland? Gland हमें पहले define करना है. Gland हम किस चीज को कहते हैं? Gland का चीज वनान. A gland, it is a cell, या सच अख cell आसान, या it is a tissue, a cell, tissue or an organ which performs secretion. Kah te cell, kah te tissue, yus hasa secretion, ya kah te organ, yus hasa secretion करे, tat chis vanan yasa go a gland. And after that, the glands have been we can say classified into four categories. The first type of glands, they are known as the endocrine glands. The first type of glands are known as endocrine glands. Second category of glands, they are known as the exocrine glands. Exocrine glands. Third type of glands, they are known as the heterocrine glands. Yeah, they are also known as the mixocrine glands. And the last category of glands, they are known as the mixed organs. These are the four types of glands which are present inside the animal body. Yeah, human body we can say. After that, now the first type of glands, those are known as endocrine glands. What do we mean by endocrine glands? These glands are also known as the ductless glands. यमन हसा छ ब्याक नाव वनान अस ductless glands. इन glands को हम बोलते हैं ductless glands. Ductless glands, that means these are the glands यम हसा छ स cell, या हसा छ स tissue, या हसा छ स organ which performs the secretion, but these are not having the ducts. Duct कथ छ वनान? Duct in the sense, duct is हम किस चीज को कहते हैं? Duct means pipe. यम हसा गई तिम organs, या यम हसा गई तिम tissues, यम हसा गो स cell युस हसा secretion करे, मगर secretion हसा छ यम करन, मगर यमन छ आसान ducts के, यमन छ pipe आसान के, and यम छ पन secretion directly करन pour into the blood. They pour their secretion into the blood, and the blood then translocates the secretions of these very endocrine glands to the target organs. And usually the endocrine glands, the secretions of the endocrine glands are known as hormones. You must say endocrine glands she must secrete karan godnathi chim ductless asan, that means ziman chan pipe asan ke yim pipe sit hasa yim target directly target organs pet pan secretion karhan secrete, magar यमन हसा they are ductless, and यिहंज secretion छ वनान hormones, and they pour these very hormones into the blood, and blood carries these very hormones to the target organs where they control and coordinate the activities of those very organs. And after that, the next type of glands, they are known as exocrine glands. Exocrine glands कथ छ वनान? These are the glands which are having the ducts. यम हसा गई तिम glands, for example यतन बनावो diagram, यम हसा गई तिम glands यमन हसा बाज़ाबित पाइप अख छ आसान, duct आसान छ, and तवै छ यमन वनान exocrine glands. And the exocrine, these are the ductless glands which are not having the pipes. This is the diagram. And exocrine, these are the glands which are having the ducts, and by the help of ducts they secrete their secretion, they pour their secretion directly on the target organs. These are known as the exocrine glands. That means the glands having the ducts are known as exocrine glands. And the exocrine, the secretions of exocrine glands are the maximum secretion of them is are the enzymes. Yim hasa chh secrete karan enzymes. Yeah, some of them they secrete the excretory products, yeah, waste products, excretory products, and some of the glands they produce the waste substances, we can say. Yeah, some of them they produce the mucus. Yeah, in addition to that they also secrete the milk. These are the various secretions of the exocrine glands. And maximum hasa yim exocrine glands chh yim hasa chh maximum time and maximum secretion yim chh asan his timan chh wanan enzymes. Go, we can say endocrine secretions of endocrine glands are known as the hormones, and the secretions of the exocrine glands are known as the enzymes. And after that the exocrine glands, you know examples, you have already, we can say, I have told you in the chapter number first, that is the digestive system. Digestive system was yim ti glands except pancreas, they were the exocrine glands, because tim tamam glands hasa timan hasa bazabit panin pipe asan, they are having the ducts, and tihis secretion tim hasa karan secrete various types of enzymes. Yimo enzymo suitim karan hasa help in the process of digestion. And after that endocrine glands chh in detail padin, tawai witness filhal example yath mas kin we will study them in detail. And after that the heterocrine glands, yeah, they are also known as the mixocrine glands. Heterocrine glands, come on chh, these are the glands which are both having the endocrine part as well as the exocrine part. We can say itne heko thoda bahut samjhayit tay. यह हसा गो heterocrine glands, यथ ज पार्ट्स आसान, अख पार्ट्स हसा छ अख पार्ट छ आसान, तथ छन डक्ट आसान के, तथ छन पाइप आसान के, एंड सु पार्ट हसा छ एंडोक्राइन पार्ट आसान, एंड दैट एंडोक्राइन पार्ट secretes the secretion that is known as hormones. Yeah, those are known as hormones. This is the endocrine part. And next part of the same gland, that is exocrine in function. Yeah, तथ हसा छ बाज़ाब्ता पाइप आसान इत कन बनाओ अस, that is exocrine in function. That means यह हसा छ exocrine part, यह छ पाइप बाज़ाब्ता आसान, यह छ डक्ट बाज़ाब्ता आसान. This is the exocrine part, and this exocrine part usually secretes the secretion that is known as, those are known as enzymes. समझ आवा? It can honest, you saw a heterocrine gland chasan. It is both endocrine, it is having one part that is endocrine, and the next part that is exocrine. Endocrine part that is not having the duct, exocrine part that is having the duct. Endocrine part secretes hormones, and the exocrine part that secretes the enzymes. And these are known as the heterocrine glands. And example of this very heterocrine gland in our body, that is the pancreas. Pancreas is the example of the heterocrine gland. And after that the next category of glands, those are known as mixed organs. These are the organs which are having the cell forming importance, yeah, whose primary function is of the cell forming. Yeah, yim hasa kai tim organs yiman primary function asli shiman badal function asan, yeah, they have the function of cell formation. Primary function chiman asan badal kien, that means cell formation. Magar besides the function of cell formation, they also secrete the, we can say, hormones. Yeah, they also secrete the chemical substances. That is why they are known as the mixed organs. Go primary function chiman asan cell formation. Yim hasa chi cells form karan sani body mas. Magar am allow chim sani body mas secretions ti karan, ya we can say hormones ti secrete karan. Taw chiman wanan, they are classified in the category of the glands. And mixed organs example kya cha sani body mas. For example, in case of males, testes, and in case of females they are the ovaries. Yim hasa ke yim cheese, yim testes the ovaries yim cha asan, yim testes the ovaries besides they are having the primary function, that is testes help in the sperm formation, and ovaries in case of females they help in the formation of eggs. And this is the primary function of these very testes and ovaries. I am allow hasa chim males and males testes karan secrete hormones. We will study them in detail when we touch with the endocrine glands. And after that yim hasa ovaries hasa ch sani body ma, ja female in his body mas karan primary function chiman egg formation. Am allow chim sani body mas, ja female in his body mas hasa chim karan kaum, they help in the secretion of the hormones, and that is why these are categorized under the classification of the glands. Mokliu hasa फिलहाल ये अम पत तुलो in detail the endocrine system.